The most recent action taken by the Bank of England indicates how central banks are growing increasingly interested in the blockchain technology, exploring the synchronized settlement of payments using the interledger protocol. The Bank of England believes that the Ripple protocol, which enables synchronized settlement across several ledgers, may have the potential to significantly influence the market for international financial transactions. It is possible that this protocol may bring together a variety of payment networks, including those utilized by banks and digital assets, establishing a payment ecosystem that is both efficient and speedy is the major purpose of the protocol. The outcomes of the Bank of England's integration of Ripple's protocol with Arcax systems are discussed in length in the aforementioned video. Integration has made it possible for transactions to take place at a faster pace and with greater efficiency than was previously possible with traditional means of payment. A public consultation was undertaken earlier this year by the Bank of England and the Treasury in order to better understand how CBDC, namely the digital pound, could be used in British society. The purpose of the consultation was to gain a better understanding. CBDC is making rapid progress in a variety of different financial domains. One such example is the situation with the digital euro, which is currently being investigated by the regulatory bodies of the European Union. Ripple and XRP are often considered synonymous with one another. XRP is a cryptocurrency, whereas Ripple is a for-profit firm that promotes and supports XRP, the software that underpins it, and various other initiatives with a transactional focus. It is vital to recognize that they are two independent companies. However, the corporation is confident that the two are not connected in any way. Ripple, once known as OpenCoin, was established in September of 2012, exactly 1 year after the XRP Ledger project was initially initiated, before changing its name to Ripple in 2015. Ripple Labs was known by its previous moniker OpenCoin. Ripple's open payment system, which later became known as the Ripple Consensus Ledger, was rebranded as the XRP Ledger after going through a few name changes. Guys, another breaking astonishing news is that influencer highlights likelihood of XRP at FIF amid 7 applications as an increasing number of companies look for exchange traded funds based on Ethereum. Discussions have begun regarding the possibility of an exchange traded fund for XRP. Mike Selig, a former lawyer for the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, has gone to Twitter to share his thoughts on the recent uptick in the number of applications for Ethereum exchange-traded funds with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. Selig stated that if an exchange-traded fund for Bitcoin were to become available in the near future, it was already quite likely that an ETF for Ethereum would not be far after. The attorney based his reasoning on a variety of issues, including the speech given by Hyman, the SecFin hub structure, and subsequent events in court. Mike Selig said if a spot BTC ETF is on the horizon, a spot at the TF can't be far behind. With the Hyman speech, the SecFin hub framework, and judicial decisions in Ripple and Terraform, the case grows stronger each day that ETH is not a security, even if it was initially sold as one. In response, digital asset investor, a prominent figure and influencer within the XRP community, brought up the possibility of an XRP exchange traded fund. The case is even stronger for an XRPF since it's the only digital asset with legal clarity in the United States. Ripple awaits departure of retail investors and welcomes heavy institutional investment since its debut. The blockchain-based payment technology and cryptocurrency known as Ripple has been causing a stir in the world of finance. The company, which is best known for its digital asset XRP, has been working toward gaining mainstream use and acclaim for its groundbreaking cross-border payment solutions. Ripple has, in recent pronouncements, stated its eagerness to bid farewell to individual investors while focusing its eyes on garnering big institutional investments. This shift in focus comes as Ripple prepares to launch its second iteration of the XRP token. This video digs into the motivations of the XRP token. This video digs in behind Ripple's recent strategic move and investigates the potential repercussions that could have for the future of the blockchain and cryptocurrency industries. The path that Ripple has traveled so far. Ripple is a cryptocurrency that was established in 2012 and has swiftly garnered notice owing to the unique consensus algorithm it uses and the efficient settlement procedure it employs. Ripple utilizes a one-of-a-kind consensus process that is known as the Ripple Protocol Consensus Algorithm. This is in contrast to Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies which rely on mining mechanisms that require a significant amount of energy. Ripple is positioned as a more sustainable alternative for financial organizations as a result of this method, which makes transactions much faster and significantly reduces the amount of energy consumed. Ripple has, during the course of its history, placed a primary emphasis on working closely with banks, payment service providers, and other financial institutions in order to facilitate the simplification of international financial transactions. This strategy has resulted in the establishment of a variety of collaborations with recognized worldwide companies, which has strengthened Ripple's credibility as a practical solution to the issues that are faced in the process of international money transfers. The role of individual speculators, the development of the cryptocurrency market, has been significantly aided by retail investors, which generally refers to individual traders and investors operating on a smaller scale. In the case of Ripple, retail investors have participated in active trading of XRP and have held it as an investment asset. Their curiosity and passion have frequently been a contributing factor in the price fluctuations and unstable market conditions. In spite of the fact that retail investors have helped bring attention and liquidity to XRP, they also present concerns for the long-term viability of Ripple. Ripple has been hit on both sides by the volatility of the cryptocurrency market's pricing, as some retail investors want to make quick profits through speculative trading. This volatility has proven to be a double-edged sword for Ripple. These short-term sentiment-driven price changes have the potential to distract Ripple from its primary objective, which is developing long-term partnerships with institutions and creating solutions that are sustainable. The reorientation of institutional investing. It is consistent with Ripple's mission to cultivate stability and confidence in its technology and cryptocurrency for the company to make the decision to welcome heavy institutional investments. The longer-term investing techniques that institutional investors like hedge funds, asset managers, and financial institutions are known for could potentially assist lessen the price volatility of XRP over the course of time. Institutional investors include these types of investors. Ripple's goal is to establish a market for XRP that is more stable and dependable by luring major financial institutions as participants. In addition, the participation of institutions has the potential to result in a wider adoption of Ripple's payment system. The potential for transactions that are conducted across international borders to be completed without any hitches is becoming more evident as major financial institutions use the technology. It is possible that the confidence that institutional investors bring to the table would inspire regulatory bodies to adopt a stance that is more sympathetic towards Ripple and other cryptocurrencies. The importance of clear regulations to Ripple's future. Ripple's advancement in recent years has been hampered by a number of important factors, one of which is regulatory ambiguity. In December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission initiated legal action against Ripple, claiming that XRP was an unregistered security and suing the company for damages. Ripple's standing in the market took a huge hit as a result of this court dispute, which led to exchanges delisting or stopping XRP trading. It is possible that the anticipated entrance of institutional investors would compel regulatory bodies to reassess their position on cryptocurrencies, which may result in the provision of a framework that is more transparent for the business. Ripple may be able to gain the required footing to grow its services and further improve its partnerships with financial institutions if the regulatory environment in which it operates is more clearly defined. That's all for now. Thank you and see you in our next video.